Hello guys, Dr. John Bond here, and let's review the Sonic Screwdriver of the 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. So this is your Sonic Screwdriver with his diary from the Family of Blood. This bit comes off here because you can write secret messages and see them with this. You can write anything in the book, just trying to juggle a bit. See? That's a lot of things. A lot of things from Family of Blood. Nice and leathery. I love the leather. I love the leather. Very posh leather. So that's it really. Gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And next week I will be reviewing the 4th Doctor's box set of a Dalek, a Fook robot, a mummy, and the 4th Doctor playing as normal. So see you next time. Bye bye.